Hey everyone, in today's quick video, I'll show you how to find your Afterpay card number in 2026 and explain why you won't see the full number inside the Afterpay app itself. As of February 2026, Afterpay has tightened security to protect users from fraud. Because of this, your full Afterpay card number is not displayed in the Afterpay app. This is completely normal and intentional. Instead, Afterpay works through digital wallets. To view your card details, open your device's Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Scroll through your saved cards and select your Afterpay card. Tap the three-dot menu or card details option, and you'll be able to see the last four digits of your card number along with expiration details. For security reasons, the full card number is never shown, even in your wallet. Afterpay is designed mainly for secure contactless and online payments, not manual card entry. If you're unable to access your card in your digital wallet or are having account issues, your best option is to contact Afterpay customer support directly for help.